Skyline in it, Paul, yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. First of all, thank you for everybody who's subscribed, commented, liked, gone over to the Instagram, shared the page, commented, messaged me. I've done my very best to subscribe back, to comment back, to message, to follow. It's a little bit crazy, like overnight YouTube subscribers like gained 100 subscribers, and all my videos are getting like over 100 watches like overnight. Massive thanks to Jesse for the mention in his video. It's Wednesday night, there's a meet going on, meeting up with a couple other people to see how the car does now it's been mapped compared to how it was before. My buddy Paul from the old car park days as an R35 GTR, and for me that's like dream car goals, whatever you want to call it. Always guaranteed meet up here Wednesday night, rain, snow, sleet, whatever, volcano erupting. These lads will be here on a Wednesday night, so yeah, it'd be good to go out, catch up with a few people, and you know, just see how things go. Looks clean to me, Paul. So Paul's just gonna have some work done. Decat downpipes, is it, Paul? Yeah, decat downpipes. Anything else?
Service.
Yeah, decat downpipe service. Are they Acropovic exhaust? Yeah. Acropovic. Yeah. I thought it was the symbol, but normally they're written on it. Thought you maybe got Chinese snides or something like that. They're sick, doing.
Carbon fibers for the exhaust, more than my first car.
These?
Yeah,
yeah, I bet. Yeah, I've seen. I don't know, but they're worth it. Like, look, the bollocks on this, like.
I wonder what the actual exhaust looks like. It's titanium.
Yeah,
So,
it'd go blue, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but it's obviously full of carbon.
Yeah. You have to clean it, Paul. Have to get some polish in there, lad. Yeah, so it's going for decat downpipes and a service, and then we're gonna go out for like a little. Let's have a look at Paul's car, and hopefully it scares the shit out of me. But no, it's sick, absolute weapon. So that's Paul's car. This is Edge's car, beast of a Lexus. Is it ISF? Yeah. Woo. This is Mitch's Ep3 217 remapped, and then there's mine. We're gonna go for a little rip. Yeah. It's fucking pointless, but yeah, I've got it.
What is it, about 4,000?
Yeah, a little over, just before VTEC kicks in. It's fucking not going to go anywhere, this car, is it? Do you know what I mean? It just wheel spin. It just sounds cool in car parks. Right, you ready, Slag?
I'm going to follow you over the bypass.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Paul's going to follow us. Are you going to keep it up? Sure, it's taking it easy on you, or what? So, welcome back. It's the next day. I put some footage in from the Wednesday night, which is Paul's car, and a bit of pissing around, but things slightly died off after the messing around. I had a coolant leak and Mitch had a gearbox oil leak, so we basically just parked up for the night, chatted till about 11 o'clock. You know, lads, banter, and then that was it. Just called it a night, just went home, so nothing went on. And all I'm doing now really is just driving it to Tom's and starting to give him need some like aluminium tape almost to help with something on his car, so I'm literally just driving it there. But yeah, just thought I'd take you along just to try and keep something up. I might do a bit of aggressive driving maybe, but we'll see how it goes. Like I say, I might put a bit of POV on going down the famous Dizzy Bends. Tape dropped off at Tom Overland. There's a mini build, pretty sick. He's vlogging it on his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, that's his car there. I've just dropped some like heat resistant foil tape off for him. Yeah, so that's it. So like I say, there's not much of a vlog, face-to-face vlog. Probably just me being a bit of a dick in the car, to be honest. But that's it. Like I say, Tuesday's Anglesey session. So yeah, we'll be set for an evening session. If the weather's good, it'll be a good night and we have a good turnout. It'll be a hell of a good crack. There's no nothing like that, where before, I don't know, placebo effect maybe, I don't know, but then yeah, it's pretty smooth now. Once you get some heat in these Avons, oh, they're good bit of tyre then. positive thing. It makes me want to do it more. It makes me want to keep editing and showing everybody what I do and what this car does. So yeah, you know, that's it. I'll keep you posted. But once again, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.